Where should your next marketing dollar go for the biggest return? It's the constant question. But what if the answer isn't spending more, but smarter? Some brands see a 500% ROI jump with this shift. This isn't just digital. Combining direct mail with online ads can more than double your response rate. The goal is to be memorable. Nielsen finds multi-platform campaigns are vital for boosting brand recall. We'll break down why this works, how consumer behavior demands it, and how to shift your own strategy for higher ROI. These numbers are impressive, but they are meaningless if they don't match how your customers actually behave. First, it's what they prefer. A massive 72% of consumers want to connect with brands across multiple channels. And it's what they do. 2/3 of shoppers use more than one channel. Relying on one makes you invisible. The path to purchase is complex. Customers can interact with your brand dozens of times before they buy. With a journey that's scattered, a serious problem appears. How do you measure what's actually working? Simply being present on many channels is not enough. The real return comes from strategic integration. The single biggest barrier to ROI is fragmentation. Each platform, Google, Meta, TikTok, exists in its own data silo. A true multi-platform strategy builds bridges between these silos, creating a single, unified view of the customer. When you see the full path, you stop overvaluing the last click and start funding the channels that assist sales. This integration creates synergy, where the combined effect is greater than the sum of its parts. Synergy also applies to creatives. Different formats prevent ad fatigue. A video tells a story. A display ad reminds. So it's about creating a connected system. What are the tangible business outcomes of getting this right? Let's talk long-term value. Customers on multiple channels have a 30% higher customer lifetime value. It is also about loyalty. Integrated strategies achieve a staggering 91% higher year-over-year customer retention. This isn't just future value, it impacts immediate sales. Multi-channel customers spend 10% more online. Why? Because their confidence is higher. They've seen your brand in multiple trusted environments, reinforcing the message. Remember we asked how to measure this complex path? The answer is multi-channel attribution modeling. But achieving this requires a mindset shift. You must move from platform-centric thinking to customer-centric strategy. This means you cannot just copy-paste the same ad everywhere. Content must be native to the platform to feel authentic. This sounds difficult, and frankly, it is. But this difficulty is precisely where the competitive advantage is found. How big is the opportunity? Only 5% of marketers feel they are set up to orchestrate cross-channel campaigns. That means 95% of your competitors are likely stuck in silos, leaving this massive ROI opportunity on the table for you. So a customer has dozens of touchpoints, and integrated channels create synergy. Each touchpoint builds momentum. That 500% ROI from the start? It's the reward reserved for the 5% of marketers who build a truly integrated system. Maximizing ROI is no longer about winning a budget for one channel. It's about becoming an orchestrator. The evidence is clear, the customer behavior demands it, and the competitive advantage is waiting. So what's the final takeaway? The choice is between linear, diminishing returns on one platform and the exponential growth from a multi-platform ecosystem. Even a simple multi-channel approach can yield a 24% greater return on investment. Imagine what's possible when it's fully orchestrated. Your customers already live in a multi-channel world. The only question is whether your marketing strategy will meet them there. Don't try to solve it all at once. Pick 2 channels and map how a customer moves between them. The journey starts there.